Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I am going to teach you in condition. Sometimes it can be called as in operator in SQL Server. In operator or in condition allows you to easily test if an expression matches any value in the list of items or the column is having that particular match case. It is used to help you to reduce the need for multiple or conditions in a select, insert, update, or delete statements while you are performing in SQL query statements. It's automatically, if matches, it won't insert. If it is matched, then only it will be update the data row. And if it is matched row is available, it won't insert the record. Such the way it will be used for in operator, whereas select will be used for most familiarly. You don't know the name of the customer is having some ideological names, and it won't be finding from the table of the customer or student or any of the form of the data. Such a time you can mention in operator to main like mentioning like more data string data text values to find out the records which are very similar to that string given string. All right, we'll see with the beginning of how to implement this in operator or in condition while writing the like a select statement in SQL Server, how it can be possible. Let's see, begin with the select here, like select. Now see here, column 1, basic ideology I have given here to an instruction. Column 2, from, you know that from the table name, from table name. Once the table name is completed, where we have to specify the column name, which column we are going to considering and concentrating to fetching or filtering and making an in operator to find out the record match case rows, like where we can specify the column, where the specifying the column with in, adding the in operator with the parenthesis, like data parameters within the string we have to pass into the query. Like it may be the value, or it may be text, or it may be some date. Anything it can be possible. All right. Now let's see here. Now we will see how we can write in applying of the real-time data table for using in operator. Now let's see here. I'll use for this in operator for customers, sales.customers. Let's see. Select wildcard star from sales dot what I can specify here, orders. Sorry, the table name I just use customers. Okay, let's see here, execute. This is the way we are able to getting that data as an output. Now what I can simply suggest you, like based on city will fetch the data rows. Okay, like very simply, how can I put here using an in operator, like see here, yes, select start from customers, where country in and specifying like a country we are not having here, so we are making is like a city or state, we can fix it here, Canada, New York, and TN. The names we are specifying simple 2-digit name here. Okay, let's see where state in using in operator, or you can specify the condition here, like a few. 4 I'm putting is in a, one is New York and one is CA. It may be Canada and it may be one more. What I was the another one, TX Texas, state Texas, and TX we can say that TX, and one more. What is one more? These are the things only. The state names TX I have seen. The one more I require. there any new name? No. So we'll go with the one tx here. That's it. Let's check here. Which are having with the state name, we'll get all the data rows. Now see here. Where I'm filtering the data rows, all the data rows records are came here, like 1445. What is the I don't know whether I can put the four state names here. And if I put some two state names, let's check. The data row records may filter in like see here 1313 only the data cards is reduced, and also we can I can check with the only CA. That's it. Let's check here. The CA records only for 284. Likewise, by using in condition or in operator to match case value which we are exactly the focusing the point of the data row only we are able to get it here. For the purpose, we are applying in a state if this condition name, and straight away we can put it as in this particular category of the data row records. Very standardization. And by using, if I applied here, it's in state. Other than state, I can put it as a first, first name, first underscore name. Just take a space here. First name. In what are the first names? KA, comma. What are the names? Jamal. Second name is Jamal. Jamal, Jamal. And one more name. It is Rona, Rona. Rona. That's it. Three all our names. It is already there. I'm giving the records in this here. Based on this criteria, using in operator, the first name is matching with these three strings. With all around 6 rows are matching. Have you got the data output as here? Such way, you can use the in operator or in condition to. You will fetch the match cases what you wish to way to check with the conditions of from your already inserted data and fetch the data row. For this, and you can apply for by using of the where condition, we are making it as an in operator with the help of, whereas the preparation of the select statement order by clauses, all the sessions till now what we have covered so far, you apply here while preparing the select statement, and you will fit the data rows from the database. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.